What's up, everybody? It's Charles from HumbleMechanic.com, back with Stefan from LIQUI MOLY. Stefan, today we are solving the problem of power and performance loss in our engine. Talk to us about what we got today.
First of all, if you already face problems, I recommend you go to your shop and ask them if they already use one of our ProLine stuff, in this case the ProLine Gasline System Cleaner, which is highly concentrated in cleaning. That's step number one. And after the cleaning job in the shop, we recommend you to use this one as a regular treatment. Every third through fifth fill up of the gas tank, just pour this in. That one contains a little bit of a cleaner, anti-corrosion improver, and also builds up a protective layer that lasts up to 1,200 miles to protect you get too soon or too early out of deposits inside.
So what is this stuff actually doing? What are we cleaning when we use one of these products?
Everything that gets in contact with the fuel, starting in the fuel pipes itself, but there are honestly no deposits. The main deposits we have are the injector chips, or we have deposits in the combustion chamber itself. So if we can reduce this deposits or eliminate them, your burning process is more efficient. That means you have increased horsepower or bring it back to original horsepower. Right. You don't gain more horsepower out of it, but it runs more efficient and the fuel consumption is optimized.
And then we have the one for the hybrid here. Yes. What's different about that one?
That's a special formulation because when you are a hybrid, most of the time, especially inner city drive, you run on battery power. So the gas sits much longer in the gas tank. And that one contains a cleaner that when the engine runs on gas, at the same time it cleans, and it contains a stabilizer that makes the fuel stay on a higher performance level for a longer time.
So extreme cleaning, high mileage vehicles, yes. Preventative and hybrid.